Do you lose your motivation sometimes, time to time?
Yeah, sometimes it's a bad day and you don't hit the right note, or you're getting sore or whatever. But yeah, this is like normal life, I would say.
Mm-hmm. And what do you do when you lose your motivation?
Going to sleep.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Okay.
Before that, the aim was always, or the goal was to sing somewhere, no matter in what time, like in 2 years, 3 years, next year, I don't care, but I had something to work on. And I don't care if it's like in 1 year or in 2 years or in 3 years, but there's something that you're working for.
For singing and music, no. Sometimes it might happen that I'm not motivated, but that I'm like tired, or I'm just like, oh, today I just don't want to sing. I just don't want to do all the exercises. It's so annoying to do the warm up like this. Yes. But then when I start doing it, something changes, switches immediately in my brain.
Definitely there are, moments of ebbing of motivation, but do I lose it? No. Like I wake up every day wanting to sing. So that's, that part of the motivation I don't lose. Sometimes in the everyday doing work and that sort of thing, family life, the practicing part, is harder to keep motivated to keep running your scales and doing your vowels and all of the practice. But, definitely motivation. I think I'm motivated to come here and not look like an idiot once a week.
Just to sing in general, yeah, but it's just me. I get kind of down on myself sometimes, and I just don't want to do anything. But then I just need like a little kick in the butt from like you or my husband, and then I always feel so much better when I do do music.
Yeah, it's definitely a process. But anytime I start to feel like discouraged, I look at like where I've come from as like, okay, my progress may not be the fastest, but I have progress. So
sometimes, yes. I think that's human. But because it's really a passion for me, and I could never stop singing. It's just a part of me, a part of my life. So after I have gone down a little bit, then I just get myself and say, okay, I start again. I think that's normal. It's a journey, up and downs. And
yes, exactly.
I could never give up because it's my passion.
Yeah, maybe sometimes, but I think rather rarely, because it's still a lot of fun.
Unfortunately, yes. When you're compiled with other things that's going on in your life, it can stifle you and demotivate you. Yes. When I lose motivation, I try to find things that's gonna remotivate me. I try to look into things that I love about singing and music, and those are the things that get me back into form. Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, this is the struggle. Like honestly, the biggest problem, the actual mental game is the game. Yeah, but you're probably going to have to spend about 6 months getting over that anxiety of other people hearing you sing badly. The overcoming the motivation thing is actually like the main lesson in all of it. Is actually realizing that it's just, a constant journey. Like, what am I doing? Am I wasting my time? And I have to keep telling myself over and over again, the only reason you fail is if you quit, right? And however long it takes is however long it takes. But sticking to that, like that is true, but actually sticking to it is it's the adventure of a lifetime, quite frankly. Like it's the hardest thing, and so full sympathy, like, but everyone out there, people are out there like struggling with this, like welcome to being a singer.